Hey guys, what's up and welcome to Let's Talk United for today's review of the Liverpool-Manchester United game. Liverpool 1, Manchester United 2, with Louis van Gaal securing a double over our Mersey rivals at Anfield. It was a great performance by the entire team, especially in the first half, where the likes of Sterling, Coutinho, Lallana were all nullified. Sturridge wasn't able to get the supply he was needing. Henderson and Joanna were really pushed back, and Liverpool's defence seemed a bit all over the place with the way we were making those runs in between their wing backs. One player who really did stand out was Juan Mata. Not only did he help construct all of our plays, he got back well and he scored two great goals. One assist by Herrera when Moreno was caught out of position, and the second was a slight chip in by Di Maria on the edge of the box, and Juan Mata with a beautiful bicycle kick. Mignolet had nothing he could do. Now the second half wasn't as good a performance as the first half, but there were still some main positives to take from it, and such being that Smalling and Jones, and especially in the last two games, have seemed to be a very strong partnership, and they're not making the mistakes that they once were, and there might be some reasons for this, we're not sure. The entire team is just performing on a level we haven't seen this season. Smalling looking very physical, very strong, especially in aerial threats coming in, and Phil Jones really putting strong tackles and clearing the ball when he needs to. Then we had the likes of Blind and Valencia who were really helping bring the play out wide and making those overlapping runs. The team was just making a huge improvement over recent performances, and I think it will continue. Then we had the likes of Herrera and Carrick in the midfield with Fellaini. Carrick doing what Carrick does, just bossing it. Herrera making a lot of plays, running up and down with Fellaini, also defending and attacking, intercepting balls, distributing them. Herrera and Mata's link-up play has been beautiful yet again. When we saw it for once or twice at the start of the season, everyone was really excited for it, and then both players were continuously dropped game in, game out, and it's really good signs for us to see them joining up yet again. Now, one player who didn't perform as well as he should was Wayne Rooney. It was almost like he was trying too hard to score a goal against Liverpool. He is a former Everton man. He is at Anfield. He's only scored the one goal there. It was, it's understandable for him to want to try hard against them, but he did scuff that penalty. He should have done better. Mignolet's not being a good goalkeeper, and fair, it was a decent save, but Rooney should have done better. He seemed to just be struggling to find the runs and his passes and his run. He was caught offside a few times. Just seemed a little too eager. Now in the second half, there was a lot of stuff going on. 48 seconds in, Gerrard with a late tackle on Mata. Referee plays on. Herrera slides in towards Gerrard, pulls out the tackle, and Gerrard, out of frustration, stamps on Herrera's leg. Instant red card, well-deserved red card. But what was Gerrard thinking? He's a really experienced player. He's been in these derbies before. Yes, it's his last one. Yes, it's at Anfield. And yes, they're losing. But a player like him should not be doing that. He really has hurt Liverpool's chances of getting top four. Whether or not they would have been able to go on and do better, because we saw that even when they were a man down, they really did press a lot. So with that extra man, would they have been able to try and get another goal? Maybe, but hard to tell. But he really did hurt their chances of getting back into that game, and he will be missing for the next 3 games anyway. Our next game's against Aston Villa. The last time we played Aston Villa, it was 1-0, but this time we're at home. Aston Villa look a little bit more attacking now that Tim Sherwood's came in, so hopefully they won't sit back and we can really do some damage to them. It really is vital at this stage to pick up these 3 points, especially since Liverpool have dropped behind us by 5 now, and hopefully we can push on and win our next 3 games. So what were your thoughts on the game? Who's your best player? Who's the best performance? For me, it was Mata. Would you keep the same team for the next game, or who would you drop and why? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. See you guys next time.